Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Shukrish Classroom. Today in this video, we are going to discussing about the primary setups in AutoCAD. We need to draw something in AutoCAD in 2D and 3D design, and we need to draw in millimeter, kilometer, centimeter, but we don't know how to set up the dimensions and units in AutoCAD. So let's get started in this video. We have prepared a word file for basic settings in AutoCAD. So we have seen there is the two types of unit in AutoCAD. So what is the first one? The first one is metric unit and the second one is imperial unit. So you also know aware about the metric units like millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. The millimeter is the smallest in all of them, and the centimeter is greater than millimeter, and meter is greater than centimeter and kilometer. So, and the second one is the imperial units. In imperial units, we have the fits and inches. Like this is the largest unit in all of them. So, what are the steps which we do in AutoCAD? So, you just need to search UN. So you will see here the units is pop up. So we need click on this and you will see a dialog box for the drawing units. So this is the settings for the drawings in which we will draw. So what here you can see here the types. The types is decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, and scientific. We mainly do not focus about the fractional and scientific in AutoCAD, but we generally focusing about the architectural, decimal, and engineering. So in decimal you can draw millimeter, centimeter, and meter and kilometer. And in architectural and engineering, you can draw your imperial units. What is the imperial units? In imperial units, the fits and inches are fallen. So we just select for this video, we will selecting the decimal type, and you can see here the precision. Like after the units, the up to which decimal you need to require. So you can see here 0 0.0 so up to the 0.000 you can select any one of these. So I am here to selecting the 0 only. So and the second right hand you can see here the angle types. The types is decimal degree and grades, radians, and etc. But we are not focusing about the angles in this video. We will make a video later on the separate. So the precision always is 0, and you can see here the insertion scales. So you can see here the mainly inches, feet, and meters, millimeters, centimeter, and kilometer. But in this video we are going to discussing only on millimeters. So just select the millimeters. You can see here the sample output is 2.2 and angle is 0, and you can see up to the 3 and angle is 45. So just select OK. So this is the for the your drawing units, but you should draw something align like up to the line this one, and you can see this is the line for the millimeters, but you should also show the dimension of this line. So I'm selecting the dimension, and you can see here the 17 is there, and we don't know here the 17 is in which the millimeter, meter, or kilometer. So we need to select and set up the dimension for the line. So what we will do, we just delete this one and search dim unit. So dim style unit. So just search dim STY. You can see the first one, dim style. Then this dialog box is open. So we just need to modify the dimensions unit. So we just click on modify, and then you can see here the primary units is here up to the line, symbols, arrow, text, and fit, and the alternate units. So in this you just check out the unit format, the decimal. You just select the unit format in which you selected that in drawing units. So we have selected the units in decimal, so just select decimal, and precision according to you, up to which decimal unit you want. So I don't want to the decimal unit, so I just selected 0. and round off is 0 always. Or like you can see here scale factor, like if you are drawing the drawings in up to the upper level of the A4, A2, A3 size, so then you can just increase your scale factor up to the anyone. So for this video I am selecting the scale factor for the one, so just okay click, and then you can see the dimension units in the sample box also. Okay, so close one, and then we just draw a line uh, up to, like you can see here the line is up to the any angle, so we need to draw a straight line. So what we will do, we just open our ortho mode. You can open your ortho mode, either F8 or control F8, press control F8, then you can see here the ortho mode is opened. The ortho mode is open. You can also select the here the ortho mode and open this. So I need to draw a line of 20 millimeter, so I just click 20, and then you can see here that line of 20 millimeter is drawn, and then we need to show the dimension of this line. So in the dimension you can just search either dimension or select the line uh, here to end of this point. Okay, so I just drawn the dimension of this line. So you can see here the dimensions text is very small, we cannot see the properly. So what we will do, so what will we need to do, we just go to again dim style. You can search again dim style, and then you can modify here the text size. Okay, the text size is 0.18, so we are facing this problem, so we just increase the text height up to like 3. Our line is 20 millimeters, so according to this we will increase the size text height 3, and the symbol of arrow size maybe will take the 1.5. Okay, so we just click OK and then close. We need to delete it again, and then just click on the dimension and set the dimensions of endpoint. So you can see here the dimensions of this line is 20 properly. You can just zoom out, then you can see the 20 is the dimension of this line and the dimensions in which the millimeter, and you can see the arrow size is also increased and text size. So follow these steps, you can modify your dimensions and the units of your drawings and plans. You can modify many of the things, like you can remove these lines, the extension lines of this. You can here to click okay, then okay, you can see here in the sample output the extension lines are removed, and we just recheck, and then you can see the extension lines is here. Also you can also remove these dimensions line by clicking here the dimension lines them 1 and 2, but we do not want to do this in these diagrams in plans, so we just uncheck these dimension lines and check these dimension lines, these extension lines, sorry, because like once we will creating the plans in our drawings, you just increase your plans lines, so we do not want to this. And you can see here that symbols and arrow, the arc line symbols you can above dimension text and none. We just clicking on the preceding dimension text, you can click, and you can here the arrow which you can see the arrow, you can select any one of these according to your plan, and you can the second one, the first one is this and the second one is this, you can select anyone. And the ladder you can also same arrow size, and then you can see here the text alignment is necessary for the bigger plans and the drawings. For this horizontal line we just selected the horizontal, but we will when we will create the plans you need to align according to your dimension. Like if the line is aligned at any angle, so you just need to align with dimension lines. You can see the output in the sample, the line is aligned. Like if you click horizontal, then your text is it will show you as a horizontal, but you click on the align, then you can see your text is automatically aligned. And you just also select the ISO standard in which your all of the lines is aligned and with dimension lines. So you can see primary units, the scale factor you can increase according to your dimension, if your units is out of the your print area page. So you can here alternate unit and tolerance, you can see. Okay, you just click on OK and close. So we have done our basic primary setups in AutoCAD. You just follow these steps in your design when we creating the designs. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video and learned the concepts of primary concepts in AutoCAD. We will be more happy if you will subscribe our channel and you follow and like, share, and subscribe our channel. Please show your support our channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.